And I think that's because when you are storing your seed, not just wasting it all the time, it's somehow I'm not a scientist. I don't know all the kind of like science-y stuff behind it, but I'm pretty sure the nutrients from the semen nourish your eyes. It like helps with nourishing your the quality of your eyes and of course your eyesight. So it only makes sense. And I just watched a video actually to refresh myself. I wanted to know more about that. And there's some connection between the eyes, the brain, like the brain and the eyes use a lot of the same nutrients, and a lot of those nutrients are found in semen. So it's no surprise that what I'm saying here, fits in right with that